Hello guys, come and join me. Let's pick a wild vegetable in the forest. So I'm gonna show it to you with this native basket. So we are finally here in the forest and we're gonna look for what they called sabsabidukong vegetable. It's a wild vegetable that is very seasonal in our hometown. Huh? Let's try to search here. You know, going to the forest is very affordable, right? You don't have to wear uh, expensive, luxurious stuffs like Louis Vuitton or any other stuff, which are very, very expensive, right? So here, as long as you are, or as long as you know how to appreciate the nature, then you'll enjoy it like this, right? Okay. There's nothing here. Let's go to the other side of the mountain. Let's try our luck if we can find there some wild vegetable. So later we're gonna cook it. I'm gonna show you the recipe that I'm gonna do for our dinner. Guys, I think I found it. Check it out. There you go. Yes, confirmed. This is what we're looking for. This one. Can you see? We call it sabsabidukong here. Oh, there's a lot. You're kidding me, right? Oh, yes. It's kind of a flower. Blooming stage pa lang siya. Look. Look at that. So beautiful. There's really a lot of those here, and the good news is this is edible, you know. Ayun. Here pa, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my gosh. You're kidding me, right? Oh my gosh, thank you, Lord. So guys, I am about to go home and I think this is enough for our dinner. Marami na to. Let's go home and cook. So guys, we just have finished looking for edible wild vegetable, wildflower, and now we're going to find ingredient because we're gonna add flavor on our vegetable. Using this, we're gonna find the shell, what we call it here, lukan. Let's go! Dito lang tayo kukuha, dyan. Maghahanap tayo ng pangsahog. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to get it out of the soil or putik. Okay, dapat matalas ang mga mata natin. Dapat ano, alam mo yon, kasi ang nakalutang lang yung bibig nila sa lupa, right? Dito naman, tuwing kukuha ako ng lukan dito, hindi naman ako nasisiro eh. Meron at meron. Ayan o. Ayan. This one. That one. So, see? Ayan siya. Oh, I got another one. Yeah. Yun. Okay. Yes. Yes. Yay. It's a lot of fun, right? You know, guys, during my childhood, like when I was in grade school, my parents didn't have money for my baon, so I find my own way how to find money for my school, for my baon, because every recess wala akong pera. Yung nanay ko naman, piso na nga lang yung baon ko, masama pa loob. I didn't have a choice. I find my own way to, to earn money to support my baon in school. And this is one of them. Like, every day I go to the river to get this thing and sell it. I sell it for like 4 pesos a kilo during my childhood days. Ayan, nakakuha na tayo. Meron na tayong pansahog sa gulay natin. Ayan. Ibabad muna natin siya ng mga ilang oras dyan para isukan niya yung dumi. Ayan. Balikan natin siya after few hours. Yeah. Let's get some rest muna. Guys, I'm now in our kitchen and I am preparing the vegetable. I'm separating the flower from the stem, kind of like have it shredded. Ito, hinimay ko na. And look, ito, hiniwalay ko yung stem niya dito sa flower. So make sure to wash it off before you cook it, okay? It may as if clean in its appearance, but you really have to wash it off kasi baka mamaya marumi. Now, next thing to do is to boil the shell so that we can separate the actual, yung laman niyang shell na yan. We want our dish more flavorful, di ba? That's why we are adding some ingredient like this one to make it tasty, more tasty. We're going to separate the laman from the shell. Yan. We put the garlic, and then onion, yung laman ng shell. Lagyan natin ng paminta. Okay. MSG, wildflower. Takpan muna natin. Lagyan natin ng asin. Yan. Ito ay base sa panlasa nyo, okay? Lagyan natin ng konting tubig. Konti lang. Gusto ko kasi yung medyo may sabaw-sabaw eh. Okay, try na lang natin maluto siya. Siguro mga 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Luto na yan. Okay, let's see. 2 minutes na. Ayan. Luto na siya. Pwede na nating patayin ang apoy. Ayan. Luto na, guys. So, we will try it. Tikman natin. Okay. OMG. Perfect na perfect pang ulam, mga kaibigan. Ang sarap, 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 sarap! Ayan, nakikita nyo ba yan? Napaka-fresh ng itsura niya, di ba? Nakuha natin ito ng libre.
Luto mo ba yan?
Of course!
Matikman nga kung talagang magaling ka magluto.
Guys, finally we're having dinner and let's hear out first yung review kung masarap ba ito o hindi. So, how does it taste?
Sarap ah.
Totoo ba?
Masarap palang ihalo yung lukan sa ano?
Yes, I decided to add an ingredient called lukan. It's a shell
Saka
to enhance the the flavor maybe.
sa bidukong.
Yes, to make it more delicious. Kasi yung linamnam ng lukan and then yung pait nung gulay nagko-complement with each other.
Sarap, tapos haluan mo ng...
And guys, I forget to tell you, I also added this. Yan. Just a small amount lang. Nor original. Yes.
Sarap pala yung ganyan.
With matching kape. Ayan o. Ang tagal naman ni Ina.
Hindi na ako magpapatis kasi
Yung nanay ko humuli pa ng alimango. Tagal. Nandiyan na yung nanay ko. Nakauli na siya ng alimango. Ayun, oh. Bulik.
Hindi.
Okay. Kain na muna tayo. Tikman nyo yung niluto ko. Tikman nyo itong luto ko. Yan, oh.
Tikman mo daw.
Kain na tayo.
Matatalian mo na lang.
Kanina pa pala yung itlog kumukulo.
Ay! Kanina pa yan eh ah. Itong luto na yan.
Ang sarap ng pait niya, no? Mapait siya pero hindi overacting. Saktong. Kiliti lang ng pait.
Sarap nga. Kaya bukas manguha ako.
Marami dun no, sa sa gubat. May napulot na naman kayong recipe sa akin, ha? Ayan. Ubus na.
Akin na lang yung konti na yan.
Mabenta.
Ako kasi ang bagal mo.
Isalin ko na lahat. Baka maubos pa.
Yun lang, guys.
Ito dessert. Dessert. Ay! Nakakalbot pa. Ano ah?
Bye, guys. Kita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na video.